Today our topic is probability. It can be defined as a chance you get. In simple words, it is an event that can occur or not. Today I will explain it to you with two examples. First one is coin. Example. When a coin is tossed, there are two possible outcomes. One is heads and second is tails. So we can write it like this, half and half. It means when we have two outcomes, total outcomes, out of which we can get head one time and tail one time. Second example is dice. When we throw a dice, there are six possible outcomes. It means one side can come one time on one when we roll it down. So we can write it like this, 1, 6. It means if we have six sides, as you know, in a dice there are six sides, every side can come one time. Let me explain you with another example. Suppose if we have 5 marbles in total and there are 4 blue in out of these 5 marbles and one is red. So how can you write the probability for the blue marbles? You know, as you know, there are total. So we can say that the probability of blue marble is 4 out of 5. And if you not want to know the probability for the red marbles, so you write 1 out of 5. It will be raining. In between 0 and 1, impossible and certain, there is half or even. Even means equal chance of anything. Suppose if I say it will rain tonight, so there are 50% chances that either it can be or not. So we can say that there are even chances or equal chances of the rain. Now I am going to explain the poor chance. So if I roll a dice, as you know, now I am going to explain the poor chance. It comes between 0 and half. Means if there are very poor chances or less chances of one thing can come. For example, if I will give you the example of dice. When we roll dice, there are 6 sides in total. So when we roll it, every side has only one chance to come. So there are poor chances. So of any side that can come. So we can say there are poor. There are poor chances. So now I am going to explain the good chance, or which comes between half and 1, even and certain. It is it is more than 50%, or you can say more than 50. So how can we explain it? If I am going to give you example of marbles, if there are 5 marbles, one is the black one and the 4 are the white one. So if I am going to get the probability of the white one marble, so we have 4 chances. There are total 5. So I wrote 5 here, and there are only 4 chances of white marbles that can come. So we can say that there are so many chances of white marble that can come. They are good chances. So we can write these under the good chance. So I hope so that this probability line will help you to understand the probability in a better way. Let's try to solve our question 1. Where do you think these statements will be on the probability scale? Scale or line, both are the same thing. So let's start with the example 1. It will rain tonight. What do you think? How many chances are there? 100%, 0%, or 50%? So I think we can say that there are 50% chances either there will be rain or not. So we can say that there is even chance. So there are even chances of rain. Right, rain tonight. So we can write in fraction form like this, half, and in words, even chance. So there are even chances, 50% chances. So we can write like this. Now, the second example, I will be famous. So how many chances then are that are there that I will be famous? So there are 50% chance. So I can write like this. I write it like this, that there are half or even chance. So we write like in fractional form we write half, and in words even chance. Now take third example. 14 follows 13 when I count whole numbers. As you know, 14 will come after 13. So there are certain chances or that 14 will come after 13. So we can write like this: 1 or certain. Now take example 4. I will enjoy the school holidays. So simple. There are 50% chances, or you can say even chances, that your holidays you will enjoy your holidays or not. So you can write as you have written in example 1 and 2, half in fraction form and in words. Half or even chance. Let's take example 5. A bee will sting me this year. As you see that there are 4 chances that a bee can come or that can sting you. So let's take example 5. A bee will sting me this year. There are 4 chances of this. So you can write that there is a 4 chance. So write it like this. Let's come to the 6th example. It will snow on our school. In this example, we will consider our city, our area, Islamabad. So as you know that there are poor chances, or there is impossible that there will be snowfall here. So we can write both options, impossible and poor chances. So we write both options, impossible and poor chances. Now come to the 7th example. It will get dark tonight. There are 100% chances. It is certain that after day the night will come, and in night there is darkness. So we can write certain here. So in numbers we can write 1, and in words we write certain. So now the last example is, I will be 20 years old tomorrow. So if you are sure about your age, so you are certain about that. So you write certain here. Okay, in words we write certain, and in numbers 1. Now I'm going to explain probability with the help of this question. I have already explained question 1. Now this is question 2. Let's take the example of spinner. On this spinner, you can see the colors, different colors here. Their total outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 out of them, 3 are red, 2 are yellow, and 1 is green. So let's come to the question. Part A is blue. How many chances are there of blue color there? So as you know, there is no blue color. So there is impossible. There are 0 chances. So you write. So you will write here impossible. Now take the example of the red part. How many red parts are there? There are 3 out of 6. So in fraction form we can write like this: 3 out of 6 in fraction form. When we simplify it, we get half, means even chances. There are half chances or even chances of red color that can come. Now take example of green. How many green parts are there? Only 1. So we can write 1, 6, or in words we can say that there are 4 chances of green color that can come. Now take example of yellow. How many yellows are there? Only 2. When we simplify it, we can write 1/3. So there are 4 chances of yellow as well that can come.
Cool.
Now take example of yellow or green. how many chances of yellow and green are there? There are total, how many outcomes are there? 6. And out of them 3 are, in total there are 3 are yellow and green. So that means there are half chances or even chances of yellow or green will come. So you write here even chance or half. Either red or green. In example EFG, they are asking about which side will come more or most. So which has the more probability to come. So either yellow or green, you know, there are 2 parts of yellow, so yellow can come more than green, so you write the answer yellow. In the F part, you write the answer which comes in red or green, which is the most one, red, so the answer is red. And either yellow or red, in yellow red, there are 3 sides of red and 2 are yellow, so there are more chances of red to come. So we can write like this.
Go.
So we can write like this. And
Go.
let's take example of dice to explain probability. So if using a dice, write the chance of throwing each of these. A part is a 6. As you know, in dice there are 6 sides. So 6 will come only one time out of 6. So we can write in fraction 1 6, or more chances of 6 to come. So we write more chance. An even number. How many even numbers are there in dice? As you know, what numbers are even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. But as you know, in dice only 6 we have numbers, even numbers till 6. So we'll consider only these numbers which come till 6. So 2, 4, 6, there are 3 numbers out of 6. So we can write 3 6 or half, or we can write even chance. So we can write like this, half or even chance. So now come on C part, a multiple of 3. As you know, multiple 3 means table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So we will not go more than 6. So we consider only 2, 3 and 6. So there are 2 out of 6. So there are 4 chances. Or 3, you can write 2 6 or 1/3 or 4 chance. So we can write like this, 1/3 or 4 chance. Now come on D part, a number greater than 4. So as you know, in dice there are only 2 numbers which are greater than 4. There are 5 and 6. So out of 6 there are only 2 numbers which are greater than 4. So we write 2 6, or you can write 1/3. So we write there are 4 chances. So we write 4 chance. So or you can write like this, 1/3 or 4 chance. So now come on E part, a number less than 4. As you know, which numbers are less than 4 in dice? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 and total outcomes are 6. So you write 3 out of 6, and that means half. Half means even chances, 50-50 chances. So you write even chances. So let's write. Let's take an example, one more example of playing cards. I'm going to read out the question 4. These 10 playing cards are shuffled and placed face up. What is the probability of turning over each of these? Write your answer as fractions. You will write the answers in fraction form. First one is an odd number. As you know, which numbers are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers. Here you can see which are the odd numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. How many in total? 5 out of 10. So you will write 5, 10, or you can also write in simple form, you can write half. So I am going to write now. There are even chances of odd numbers here. Now come on B part, an ace of diamonds. Here you can see which card is a ace of diamond, only one card. Here you can see here this one. So how can you write out of 10? It is only 1, so you write 1 10. So I am going to write now. Now come on example C. A multiple of 3. As you know, what are the multiples? Multiples are, you can just read off the table. Now read out the table of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. But here we have only 10 cards, so we will take 3, 6 and 9, only 3 cards out of 10 cards. So you write 3, 10, simple. Now take the next example, D part. Number 4 or less. As you know, which are numbers here? Which are number less than 4? So you will take numbers from 1 till 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 10. So you write 110. So you will write 410, or in simple form you write 25. Now take next example, E. A number that is not a 2-digit number. As you know, which are numbers are 1-digit number till 10? Only 9 till 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9. These are all 1-digit number. From 10, with the 2-digit numbers will start. So you will write 9 out of 10, because we have total 10 cards and out of 9 are only 1-digit numbers. 9, 10. Now it's done. Is it simple? I hope you will understand it.